The maleo. It must be nice being a bird. Who hasn't dreamed of being able to soar high in the sky? Some birds have it better than others. Would you believe that one type of bird, the maleo, even owns a private tropical beach? Maleos are birds that live on the Indonesian islands of Sulawesi. These birds are about the same size as chickens. They are mostly black with pink bellies. They have grayish-blue feet with 4 sharp talons. Maleos are unique in the way they lay their eggs. They don't build their nests in trees like most birds. Instead, maleos lay their eggs in holes in the ground. And while most other female birds sit on their eggs to keep them warm, maleos do not need to sit on their eggs. The warm sand of Sulawesi keeps the eggs at the right temperature. When the eggs hatch, the newborn maleos dig themselves out of the sand. Unlike almost all other birds, maleos can fly as soon as they are born. They fly into the forests of Sulawesi, where they spend the rest of their lives avoiding predators that love to gorge on the tasty birds. In 2009, the United States Wildlife Conservation Society bought the beach on Sulawesi where the maleos lived. The Conservation Society works to preserve animals that are in danger of dying out. The maleos are in trouble because of humans. Their eggs, which are 5 times as large as chicken eggs, are eaten by the people of Sulawesi. By giving the birds a private beach, the Conservation Society hopes to stop people from eating the eggs. This will help the maleo population grow, saving these fascinating birds for generations to come. Number 1, where do maleos live? Number 2, what do maleos look like? Number 3, why don't female maleos need to sit on their eggs? Number 4, what is interesting about maleos when they are born? And number 5, why are maleos in danger of dying out?